and get our dinner. Now we have to order it.
Oh my goodness. Yay. What is up, guys? So we're at, what is this? Zauo? Zauo. So it's a place, like a restaurant, where you can fish for your own food and dinner. So we're here with a family friend, Emiko, and then her daughter. Yeah, she's playing. But for dinner, or we caught the fish. I'm gonna insert the video here. But we made it into sashimi.
Look at this, it's still flapping.
So fresh. That's crazy. So yeah, we're gonna eat our dinner now. So we're gonna take our first bite of this sashimi. Look how fresh it is. Look at that. So good. Yeah?
Really fresh.
Yeah. That's so
good.
yummy. Alright guys, so Sherman is still going, but I am completely full.
That was the last piece.
So is Emiko. She's done too. You wanna say hi? Hi. Konnichiwa. Sherman's just finishing up, and then yeah, that was dinner.
Dinner was amazing.
Dinner was so good. Thank you to Emiko for recommending this place, because we're so full, our tummies are happy, and such a great dinner, great night to finish up our vacation, basically, because we're leaving tomorrow. So sad, but we're gonna be back for sure. 1, 2, 3. Gochi so Sorry.